Welcome to EB Pearls. I'm Mike, your guide in this mobile app development series. We'll cover a range of topics in this series, such as idea validation, choosing the right technology, making money from your app, and much more. While having a killer idea can get you noticed, it might not be worth $1 billion. Yet. It's important to invest time on the right project. This is where idea validation comes in. What's idea validation, you ask? It's the process of testing, researching, and fine-tuning your idea in order to find those golden nuggets. It's what separates good ideas from bad and strengthens ideas into business plans. The goal is to find the most efficient way to assess your assumptions so you can determine whether or not to continue with your idea. There are 4 steps in this process. The first step is the customer. How will your idea impact your customers? Test your idea from the customer's perspective. What problems does your app solve? What problems does it create? What do customers gain? Knowing these answers will give you the insights you need to align your efforts. The next step is getting into the market. Once you've resonated with your customers, research the market to see if there's a place for you. Find your niche by asking questions like, where's my gap in the market? Answer questions like, what if my solution works? This will help you visualize scaling your business so you can adapt along the way. The third step is to validate, launch, and repeat. Continually seek feedback. Start small, get feedback before launching your grand investment. Time to market matters, so never stop validating, but it's also important to get things out there and not get bogged down. Finally, there's compliance. Even if you're receiving quality feedback and making revisions, your product might not comply with regulations. Take time to be compliant with the legal aspects of the business, especially when it comes to privacy. Following these steps in the idea validation process will bring you closer to a successful mobile app. Stick with me in the next episode where we'll discuss ways to protect your app. Ready to make your big idea a reality? Visit our site and learn how to grow your business with results-driven websites and mobile apps.